Hi, Neil here from Cedarville Car Clinic. Today we're going to show you 5 things that you should check every time you're at the gas pump. One would be your oil. Always pull the dipstick out and wipe it first so you can get a true measurement of what's really there. Here we see the minimum and the maximum marks, and we're at minimum on this car, so it's about time to put a little bit of oil in there just to top it up until it's ready for its next oil change. If you do need to fill your oil up, your oil cap is always on the top of the engine, and that'll even tell you on most cars what the grade of the oil should be. Next thing we'd like to show you is the washer fluid. Sometimes we run out of washer fluid right in the middle of winter or summer when we've been using them a lot. Normally they'll be somewhere close to the front of the vehicle. This is normally a mix you can get from that gas station, so you can top it straight off. No mixing required, just pour the bottle straight into your washer fluid reservoir. Third thing I'd like you to just look at is double check you got coolant in your reservoir. In this one we can see it from the side where it's got a higher level mark. So when you can see fluid here, you know you've got a good amount of coolant in there. Normally recommend that your local mechanic checks that for you if you feel it's getting low, just in case it's got a leak. Next, we always recommend checking your tyre pressures. Got a little tyre pressure tester here. Oh, this car doesn't have a cap. Push it into reset. And then this is showing we have about 48 psi on this car, so we know that we've got the correct amount of pressure in the vehicle. On this car, right by the door, let me show you if you'd like to follow me. Just down here, on most cars, will be exactly how much tyre pressure should be in the front or the rear vehicle tyres, and it will actually change for if you've got loaded so you carry more people all the time. The last thing we'd like to show you is your tyre tread depth. Most people have a penny on them, and there was a phrase, if you see Lincoln's head, you've got no tread. So on here, we can see that Lincoln's head is completely covered, so we've got plenty of tread on these tyres. So we know that this is good until it's ready for its next oil change or tyre rotation. Ta-ra for now.